In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to face swap in Canva. If you want to fix a group photo, make a funny meme, or try out a creative design idea without using complicated editing software, Canva gives you a much easier way to do it. Instead of dealing with manual masking or jumping between different tools, you can use Canva's built-in app system to handle most of the work for you right inside your design. To get started, open Canva and head into your active workspace. From the homepage, you can either choose a recent design or open it through the project section on the left-hand side. Once your project opens, make sure the main image you want to edit is already placed on the canvas. This should be the photo that contains the body or character you want to keep, because that will act as your target image during the face swap process. Next, go to the left sidebar and click on Apps. This opens Canva's app directory where you can search for extra tools. In the search bar at the top, type face swap and press enter. When the results appear, select the official face swap app to open it inside your current design. This keeps everything contained in one workspace, which makes the process smoother and easier to manage. Inside the face swap panel, you'll see two upload areas labeled target image and source image. The target image is the base photo already on your canvas, so either select that image directly or upload it into the target section. Then move to the source image area and upload the face you want to use. For the best result, choose photos with clear lighting, visible facial features, and no hands or objects blocking the face. Images that are sharp and well lit usually produce the most natural looking swaps. Once both images are loaded, look toward the bottom of the panel and click the swap face button. Canva will then process the images automatically. In just a few moments, it analyzes facial features like the eyes, nose, and jawline, then places the new face onto the target image while blending shadows and skin tones as smoothly as possible. After the result appears, take a moment to review everything on the canvas. Make sure the final image looks aligned and that any text or graphic elements in your design still sit neatly within the page. If needed, adjust surrounding elements so the overall layout feels balanced and polished. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner, click Share, then choose Download. Set the file type to PNG for a crisp final image and click Download again to save it to your device. That's it.